you look like the type to clap when the microwave dings. Of course, nigga, you gotta clap when the microwave dings, bro. If you are not grateful for your food, bro, then what are you chatting? You guys clap when the microwave dings. I clap when the fucking microwave dings, man, because you know what it takes to like prepare me a motherfucking food, bro, and keep that shit warm. A lot of people can do that, you know, and not a lot of like husbands can do that, nigga. Some of the husbands don't even know how to cook, man. You feel me? So yeah, nigga, I be clapping, bro, with the motherfucking microwave, like when it dings, like ding, nigga, what's good? Of course. What up, Jonathan? Jonathan say, yo, what up, Jonathan?